In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off keyboard character preview. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And now, when I start typing a text and I'm touching the key here just above my finger, you can see that key preview, and now let me show you how you can easily enable or disable that feature. So let me hop out Notes, and the first you have to do is open up Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Here you have to find keyboard feature, just get into it, and there you can easily find the character preview feature. Now it's toggled on. If you want to disable this feature, just hit at that switcher to toggle it off, and now you can open up any app that use keyboard, and now when you're typing a text, the preview doesn't appear. I hope this video helps you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.